Now that we've looked at those lessons about tone and word choice, let's take a look at the essay that we wrote, or that we saw that somebody wrote, talking about how Toby gets lost. And we'll look at some changes that we can make to make our story even better. Toby Turtle left the sea to eat lunch in the woods. Now, before we jump straight into, how do I get back to the sea? He asked a group of squirrels, and it doesn't really mention that he's lost. So we need to make sure we add a sentence there that says, suddenly he was lost. Notice this transition word, suddenly. Remember we talked about transition words a couple weeks ago? Make sure you're still using those in your writing. How do I get back to the sea? He asked a group of squirrels. The squirrels did not know. Toby started to, we had written cry, but that's kind of a boring word. Since we want to use more specific words that paint a more vivid picture in our reader's mind and make us sound smarter, we decided to change that word cry to sob. Toby started to sob. Then he saw a friendly wolf. He asked the wolf for directions back to the sea. I'll help you, said the wolf. Now, to make sure that the events of our story are more clear, we added a sentence here saying that Toby followed the wolf back home. They became good friends. You see how we can make just a few changes to make our writing even better? Now it's your turn to write your story. Don't forget to revise and make it a little better when you're finished.